Our vision for this district is to become the best district in the state of Texas, and that's not necessarily a destination, but it's something about the culture here, and for the 15 years that I've been part of it, it's been about improving and developing that culture. You know, you put great people in front of kiddos and you make sure you support them and give them the tools they need, and then the magic begins to happen.
We really believe in charting an individual trail, and that students and teachers being able to reach their own potential and move forward with their own personality and achieve their goals. And that's a much bigger thing than just passing a math test. It is really about becoming the best that you can be.
We're not a one-size-fits-all district. We don't believe all children are the same. We don't try to give you a goal to reach. We try to find out what your goal is and then give you every tool to reach it.
Through it all, we know that we are focused on student success and we are focused on providing the best education possible for our community.
Our teachers push us academically, they expect the best of us, and they expect us to work hard, but it really makes us into great students. My teachers have developed this drive in me to want to go further and pursue my education and just achieve all that I can achieve.
The curriculum that Magnolia ISD offered, we noticed that not only were there pre-AP and AP opportunities for those kids who want to go to college and beyond, there were also other curriculum that dealt with even floral design, auto mechanics, cosmetology, things that kids might want to do that don't have anything to do with college.
Be it on the concert stage, the athletic field, in ag, those things are great for kids. It gives a kid a chance to develop self-confidence. It gives a kid a chance to express their passions. Students that feel fed by that get a chance to express themselves in those ways, that self-confidence bleeds over into the classroom. There's an undercurrent of community value and civic responsibility that is taught to students so that when they do leave us, our kids are prepared to take on the world.
I've even gotten to take advanced math classes because I want to be an engineer, and it's just perfect. I get the practice of the math, I just get a feeling of how college is really going to be like, and I feel prepared. Magnolia is just an amazing district. I mean, they care about their kids. You know, we come here, we get a great education. We have all these extra activities that we get to do outside of school, so it's not just about the academics.
You know that you're taken care of and that the teachers are here to ensure the best possible outcome for you.
There are career and tech options for kids that they're able to, we're going to prepare them for workplace settings and that they can come out with certificates that make them work ready. We have advanced placement courses, and we also have a new International Baccalaureate or IB program that we're going to offer. It'll be the only one of those such programs in Montgomery County.
When you look at the graduates each year, you can see a distinct improvement because higher percentage of kids are going to college, and the colleges are going to are higher and higher quality.
Our kids going into even an international university, they were prepared, and I feel like they got it all from here. My daughter that plays soccer, she lives in a city now, and she still has those values that I've seen her grow with here.
Everybody plays as far as a role of being student-centered and being dedicated to students.
Teachers teaching them the right ways to do things and just really becoming great little people so that as they move on to junior high and high school that they're really the best that they can be.
It's that continual striving toward being the best, that even when we reach peaks and we celebrate with our students, our teachers, and our community, we're able to then look, okay, what's next?